Hello students, today we will learn about Internet services. Internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide. You can relate the term Internet to the telephone network or the interstate highway system, which is spread across and interconnected to each other. It is the largest information database and has become a vital part of our lives. It enables the users to share ideas and search for information on any topic. Internet has transformed the entire world into a global village. Let us first discuss on the history of Internet. In 1969, when man walked on the moon, the US Defense Department set an Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to Internet, the technology which has radically changed our lives. Earlier, Internet was used by engineers, scientists and computer experts for research purpose, but gradually the network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. People started using it for sending messages and files between any 2 computers. In India, Internet services started on 15th August 1995 through a government-owned company, BSNL. Some of the popular Internet service providers, ISP in India are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Idea, etc. Students, if you want to reserve and print railway tickets, then you should visit the site www.irctc.co.in. Alright, now we will learn about popular services on the Internet. There are many facilities available on the Internet which make our lives better. Some of the widely used Internet services are as follows. Okay, now we will discuss about www World Wide Web. The www World Wide Web or Simple Web is a means of accessing and sharing information over the Internet. It contains millions of documents called web pages. Each page contains text, graphics, video, audio and links to other web pages called hyperlinks. To access and transfer through these web pages, one requires a software program called web browser. The most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. In 1990, while working at CERN, European Council for Nuclear Research, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, along with Robert Galileo, invented the World Wide Web. Today, the World Wide Web is the greatest database of human knowledge available online. Students, do you know that www.bing.com is the latest search engine from Microsoft? Okay, now we will discuss about video conferencing. A video conference is a communication that involves exchanging audio and video at the same time between people sitting at geographically different locations. The participants can view each other on their monitors as well as hear voice-over speakers of their laptops or desktop computers. It involves the use of camera known as webcam as well as a microphone at the end of each participant to capture video and audio data in real time. Images and sounds are transmitted through Internet and delivered to other participants. This technology is mainly used for virtual meeting among a group of people to discuss political, business, medical or social affairs. On television, many a times we see that a program host is conducting interview among several participants sitting in different cities and countries. This is done through video conferencing. Popular video conferencing applications include Skype, Adobe Connect, Ovo, Yugma, Agica, etc. Okay, now we will discuss about chatting. A chat is a text-based communication between one or more users in which messages are exchanged back and forth in real time through a chat software. Chat messages are generally short in order to enable other participants to respond quickly. Chat is also known as online chat or internet chat. Chat not only allows you to exchange text message, but it also allows you to interact with other users through voice and video chats. There are various types of chats available on the internet. One can chat through instant messenger, a chat room, a chat website, etc. However, most of them require the user to get registered first. Chat room is a designated area or forum on the World Wide Web that allows people with a common interest, friends, relatives, or corporates to communicate with each other through instant messaging. Typically, chat rooms are dedicated to various activities such as sports, politics, health issues, television shows, etc. Students, let's know the fact. The first online chat system was called Talkomatic, created by Doug Brown and David R. Woolley in 1973 on the Plateau system at the University of Illinois. Okay, now we will discuss about instant messaging. Instant messaging is like a private chat room where both users must be online at the same time. It is a communication service over the internet that allows transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver instantly. Like online chat, instant messaging offers two-way message exchange in real time. The only difference between the instant messaging and online chat is that in instant messaging, IM, the communication takes place between known users and includes only those people whom the user has invited, whereas online chat could happen between unknown users too. Some popular IM services in use these days are Google Hangouts, Windows Live Messenger, AOL Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, IM, etc. Hangouts. Google Hangouts is a free chat service that allows its members to participate in text, voice, or video chats. The chat can be in the form of one-to-one conversation or group chat involves 10 people at the most. It can be easily installed and used on laptops, desktops, and mobile devices. This application is available for different operating systems including Windows, Android, and iOS. In addition to chatting, Google Hangouts users can also use it to share documents, images, and YouTube videos with other users. To access Google Hangouts, a user is required to have a Gmail account. Students, let us learn how to add a contact to Hangouts. Open the link hangouts.google.com and sign in with your Gmail ID. Or open your Gmail account and click on the Google Apps Launcher button. Click on Hangouts under the More section. At the top of your Hangouts list, click the Search button. Type a name, phone number, or email address. When you find the person you want in the search results, click his or her name to send him or her an invite. The next time you open Hangouts, the contact will appear in your Hangouts list. Now let us learn how to start a Hangouts conversation. Click on the Message button. In the search box, enter the name or email address of the person you want to communicate with. When you find the person you were looking for, click on his or her name. A separate window appears. Type your message where the cursor blinks and press the Enter key. Okay, now we will discuss about Internet free calls. Another feather in the cap of Internet is that it lets you make free voice calls and video calls to anyone across the world. You can make free calls at much lower rates to anywhere in the world. Some software even allows you to send free messages and videos along with free Internet calls. The only condition is that the particular software or application should be installed in the devices at both the ends. After installing the software on a mobile or computer system, you need to create an account on it. Examples of such software or applications are Skype, Viber, Tango, Reptel, and Google Hangouts. Students, note the fact that in 1936, Dr. George Schubert, an engineer working for the German Post Office, developed the world's first public video telephone service that connected the two cities Berlin and Leipzig and covered a distance of approximately 100 miles. Free calling via Hangouts. The Google Hangouts application provides you with voice and video call capabilities with which you can have a face-to-face conversation with anyone. To make use of these features, make sure that your computer is equipped with a camera, microphone and speakers before making a video call. At the top of the Hangouts list, click on the search button. Type the name or the email address of the person you want to call. When you find that person, click his or her name. A separate window opens. Click on the video call button to start the video call. Click on the end call button at the bottom of the window once you are done with the call. Students, please note that, likewise, you can make a video call with up to 10 persons at the same time by selecting the checkboxes adjacent to their names. Okay, now we will discuss about e-learning. E-learning means electronic learning. It refers to learning with the use of technology that enables people to learn anytime or anywhere. E-learning can be implemented using an internet connection, a network, an intranet, or a storage disk. It is less expensive than traditional learning and can be used to impart training to a large group of students at the same time in an interactive and interesting manner. Thus, it saves time and reduces the need for costly classroom-based training. The quality of the electronic-based training depends primarily on the content and its delivery. We have the facility to download study materials from universities which may incorporate various types of media like audio, text, virtual environments, video and animation. There are various websites that are used for e-learning like Coursera, edX, National Program on Technology Advanced Learning, NPTEL, etc. Worldwide, various universities like Harvard, MIT and even IITs have launched courses focused on offering classes online for free. Besides distance learning, mobile learning, e-learning, open education resource OER, massive open online courses MOOC, etc. are being well accepted as alternative approaches for impacting knowledge to the users. Okay, now we will discuss about e-banking. E-banking stands for electronic banking. It is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. It enables customers to perform all routine transactions such as account transfers, balance inquiries, bill payments and stop payment requests, and some even offer online loan and credit applications. These transactions can be done from anywhere, irrespective of time, if one has an internet connection on his computer. As all the services are web-enabled, the customer needs to log into the website of a bank and access the centralized database by specifying the desired bank service. This saves more time than going to the bank physically. The steps to perform e-banking are: open the website of the bank, enter username and password, do the desired transaction. Some of the sites that provide e-banking are www.statebankofindia.com, www.pnbindia.com, www.hdfc.com, etc. Students, let me tell you that PayPal is one of the most popular payment gateways founded in December 1998 that authorizes debit card and credit card payments. Okay, now we will discuss about e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which means online commercial activities. It involves buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over the internet. Lots of internet services are available to promote business electronically. Internet offers us convenient ways to shop from our homes or offices for almost everything, such as movies, games, stationery, apparels, healthcare and personal products, home appliances and electronic items, etc. We can buy or sell new as well as second-hand goods. This process of selling and buying products over the internet is called online shopping or e-shopping. Some of the popular portals for selling and buying goods are Amazon.com, eBay.com, Craigslist.com, Bonanza.com and Flipkart.com. Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest online shopping websites in the world. It is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company founded on July 5, 1994, with headquarters in Seattle, Washington. This site is popularly known for its wide collection of books, although it has expanded its domain to sell electronic appliances, clothing, furniture, books, and many more. It allows its users to avail payment through credit card or debit card transactions, net banking, e-gift voucher, card swipe on delivery, or cash on delivery to make use of this amazing e-shopping tool. Log on to the official website of Amazon, that is amazon.in. Type the name of the item you want to search in the search box at the top, or you can search the item by selecting the appropriate category from the drop-down list of the Shop by Category option present just below the Amazon logo. Select the desired product and check the details, that is, the key features and specifications of that item. Once you are satisfied with the product specification, click on the Buy Now button. After clicking on Buy Now, you need to create an Amazon account. Enter your valid name, mobile number, or email ID and password. Click on Create your Amazon account. Fill in your address details under the Delivery Address section and click on Continue. Select the payment method and enter the required details. Click on Continue. Review your order details and click on Place your order and pay. Enter the 3D secure code received from bank in order to authorize your payment. You will get a thank you page once the order is successfully placed. Let me give you a tip now. Amazon has created different retail websites for different countries to facilitate faster and easy delivery of the products. Example, for India it is www.amazon.in. For Canada, www.amazon.ca. For America, www.amazon.com, and so on. Okay, now we will discuss about Internet TV. Internet TV can be defined as a medium of delivering television content over an internet connection. To use the Internet TV, you must have a broadband connection. Internet TV is also known as web television. It is similar to cable TV. You can even find more variety on Internet TV as many websites offer independently produced programs and unlimited number of channels, keeping the specific interest of people in mind. Internet TV options include web-based shows, video on demand, and regular television shows hosted on the channel's website. You can watch Internet TV on a computer screen, a television screen, through a set-top box, or a mobile device like a cell phone or an iPod. Rather than having a fixed time schedule designed by the channels, consumers can actively search and retrieve programs of their choice anytime. Some of the popular independent service providers of Internet TV are Netflix, Hotstar, Sony Live, etc. Okay, now we will discuss about Internet Radio. Internet radio, as the name suggests, is an online radio service that is broadcasted over the internet on dedicated radio service. It is broadcasted in much the same way as traditional radio with regard to its presentation and format. Here, audio stream is digitized and split into small pieces for transmission across the internet. It provides the listeners with a continuous stream of audio which cannot be paused or replayed. Internet radio has been in existence since the late 1990s. Unlike the traditional radio station that has its broadcasting limitation, typically up to 100 miles, Internet radio has no limitation. It is capable of broadcasting graphics, text, and links along with audio, thus serving all the senses of the listeners. Internet radio is evolving and expanding its reach from desktop computer to devices that enable accessing broadcasts anywhere, anytime. Some of the popular internet radio services are TuneIn, Pandora, Soma.fm, Vivid Bharti, Radio Mirchi, etc. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide. In India, internet services started on 15 August 1995 through a government-owned company, BSNL. The software program used to access and transfers through the web pages is known as web browser. A video conference is a communication that involves exchanging audio and video at the same time between people sitting at geographically different locations. A chat is a text-based communication between one or more users in which messages are exchanged back and forth in real time through a chat software. Google Hangouts is a free chat service that allows its members to participate in text, voice, or video chats. E-learning refers to learning with the use of technology that enables people to learn anytime or anywhere. E-banking is a way of performing bank transactions using internet. E-commerce involves buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over the internet. Internet TV can be defined as a medium of delivering television content over an internet connection. Internet radio is an online radio service that is broadcasted over the internet on dedicated radio servers.